Every time I look back on this road, you'll always be a part of who I am. Everything I've known, every seed of greatness you have sown. Through good and bad, your love has watched me grow. You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You care in every way, in my heart you will always stay. In this moment let me say
thank you for teaching us, Teacher Janelle. Thank you po sa lahat na pagawa nyo. Thank you po sa mga valuable lessons at iba pa. We love you, teacher. Goodbye.
Thank you po, teacher, sa pagtuturo at pagtutok sa aming pag-aaral. Ingat ka po palagi and I love you.
Hi, dear Janelle. I am here to thank you for teaching us, guiding us, and supporting us no matter what. You were also the reason why we reached it this far. You filled us with all your love. Thank you for your hard work all through these months with us. We appreciate it. At pasensya na po kung lagi kaming pasaway at maingay. Please take good care of yourself. We will miss you and we love you.
Hello po, Teacher Janelle. Thank you po sa pagtuturo. Mamimiss po kita.
Oh, Teacher Janelle. Thank you po for being an
lessons end.
Thank you po sa pagtuturo mo sa
Share with you
sa
just like
mahabang pasensya
a
po at sa
friend.
pag-unawa
Your
sa akin.
love is
Thank you po
smiles and
kasi hindi mo po kami
frowns.
sinubuan
Keep me safe.
po, napakakulit
You
at
teach
po
me right from
salamat po sa
wrong.
pagmamahal
Inspire me
sa
to
aming
be
lahat. Namiss ka po
strong.
namin. I love you,
You
teacher.
care in every way.
Hello po, Teacher Janelle. Thank you po sa pagtuturo at pagmamahal niyo sa amin. Sana po hindi po kayo magsawa na magturo sa mga kagaya namin. See you soon po, teacher. We love you, teacher.
Hi, Teacher Janelle. I just want to say thank you for your love and long patience. We are so lucky to have you as our second mom. See you when I see you. We will miss you so much.
Hi, Teacher Janelle. I just want to thank you for continually inspiring us to do our best. You help us strive goals. I found guidance, friendship, discipline, and love. Everything in just one person, and that person is you, Teacher Janelle. We know that is our last meet at each other. We were gonna miss you, Teacher Janelle. Bye bye. We were gonna miss you, Teacher Janelle. Po, teachers, thank you po sa mga tinuturo niyo po sa amin. And sorry po sa mga kasalanan po namin na nagawa po namin habang nagtuturo po kayo. Sorry po na maingay po kami. And teachers, thank you po na minamahal niyo po kami at dinidisiplina. I love you po, teachers. Bye-bye po and God bless you po. Hindi ko po kayo makakalimutan at palagi ko po kayo bibisitahin. Bye po!
Hello, Teacher Janelle. It's me, Juan Marcos. Thank you for being a nice teacher to us, and I will miss you.
Hello po, Teacher Janelle. Thank you po sa pagturo at pag-alaga mo sa amin kapag nasa school kami. Mamimiss po kita. I love you po, Teacher Janelle.
Hello, Teacher Janelle. Thank you for teaching us. Mamimiss ko po kayo nila, Teacher Cecil, Teacher Michelle, at Teacher Chris. Salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin at di ko po kayo makakalimutan.
Hello po, Teacher Janelle. Thank you po, teacher, sa pagtuturo po sa amin. At salamat din po, teacher. At God bless po sa inyo. I love you po.
Thank you po sa pagtuturo sa isang buong taon. Sa pagtuturo sa amin. I love you po. We will miss you po. Bye-bye.
Hi, Teacher Janelle. Thank you po sa pagtuturo po sa amin. I love you po.
Dear teacher, hi teacher, I just want to say that I'm always thankful that you're always here for me and my classmates. And thank you for being a great teacher to us. Bye-bye.
Hi po, Teacher Janelle. Thank you po sa pagtuturo sa amin. Mamimiss po kita. I love you po.
Hello, Teacher Janelle. I'm Yumin. Thank you for teaching us. I will miss you. Hindi kita kakalimutan, Teacher Janelle.
Salamat po, teacher, sa pagtuturo po sa amin. Pasensya na po kung makulit po kami. Mamimiss ko po kayo. I love you.
Teacher Janelle, salamat po sa pagtuturo at pag-aalaga sa amin. Maraming salamat po sa iyo.
Janelle, thank you for the love and care you have given us. Thank you for teaching us for the whole school year. I will miss you. I will visit you even though I'm not in your class anymore. I love you.
Hello, Teacher Janelle. Thank you for teaching us. We learned a lot from you. I will miss you. I love you.
Hi, Teacher Janelle. Thank you for your dedication, patience, and encouragement, especially during the challenging times. Thank you for believing in us and pushing us to achieve our best. We are very fortunate to have you as our teacher. Thank you and be safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you po sa everything, Teacher Janelle. We will miss you po.
Hi po, Teacher Janelle. Thank you po sa mga tinuro niyo po sa amin. Ang dami ko pong natutunan. Para sa mga mabababang grades ko po, babawiin ko po yun. At pagbubutihin ko po yung mga grades ko po. Kapag kami po makulit or maingay po, pinapatayo niyo po kami. Sorry po doon. Pero always remember, minamahal po namin kayo. Bye po!
Hello, Teacher Janelle. Thank you for teaching me so much this year. Your passion motivates me to do my best to stay safe, healthy, and beautiful. God bless you.
Thank you for all the memories. Thank you for everything you've done for us. Wishing you all the best as you embark on a new journey.
Hi, Teacher Janelle. Thank you po sa mga itinuro niyo sa amin. Salamat din po sa mga disiplina na ginawa niyo po sa amin. Kahit po makukulit kami, we gonna miss you. And I love you, Teacher Janelle. Bye!
Hello po, Teacher Janelle. Una po sa lahat, miss na
Always
miss
knew
ko
this
na po
day
kayong
would
lahat.
come.
At
We'd be
saka po, mahal
standing
na mahal
one
ko
by
po kayo.
one
Thank you
with
po
our
sa
future
pagtuturo
in
sa
our
amin sa loob ng
hands.
isang
So
taon.
many dreams